When families choose an engineering program in the United States, they often focus on rankings, acceptance rates, or job placements. But there is one factor that is even more important for many engineering majors, and surprisingly, many families have never heard of it. It is called ABET accreditation. So what is ABET? ABET stands for the Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology. It is one of the most respected engineering accreditation organizations in the United States. Here is something many people don't realize. ABET does not accredit universities. It accredits individual academic programs. That means two programs at the same university can be completely different. Mechanical engineering may be ABET accredited, while computer science may not be. Electrical engineering may be accredited, while data science may not be. So when you are researching colleges, don't just look at the university's name. Make sure you check whether the specific major you are interested in is ABET accredited. So how does a program earn ABET accreditation? Many families assume that if a university is highly ranked, its engineering programs automatically receive ABET accreditation. That is simply not true. ABET sends evaluation teams made up of university professors, industry professionals, and engineering experts to conduct an in-depth review. They evaluate everything from the curriculum and laboratory facilities to faculty qualifications, student learning outcomes, graduate success, and whether the program continuously improves over time. Universities must submit extensive documentation, go through rigorous on-site evaluations, and demonstrate that students are actually developing the engineering skills the profession requires. And even after receiving accreditation, programs must be reviewed again on a regular basis. In other words, ABET accreditation is a quality assurance system, not a one-time award. So which majors care the most about ABET? For traditional engineering disciplines, it is extremely important. That includes mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, chemical engineering, civil engineering, environmental engineering, aerospace engineering, biomedical engineering, and many other engineering fields. Computer science is a little different. Some of the world's top computer science programs, including several at elite universities, are intentionally not ABET accredited. That is because many computer science departments emphasize theory and research rather than professional engineering practice. However, if you are interested in computer engineering, robotics, embedded systems, semiconductor design, automation, or other engineering-oriented computing fields, ABET becomes much more important. So what does ABET actually mean for students? First, it can affect your future professional licensing. In many U.S. states, graduating from an ABET-accredited engineering program is the most straightforward pathway toward becoming a licensed professional engineer, also known as a PE second. It matters in the job market. Many employers in aerospace, energy, manufacturing, infrastructure, defense, and other engineering industries give strong preference to graduates from ABET-accredited programs because they know these graduates have completed education that meets recognized industry standards. Third, it has international value through international engineering accreditation agreements. Engineering degrees from ABET-accredited programs are widely recognized in countries including Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Singapore, and many others. That can make it much easier to pursue graduate study, professional licensure, or engineering careers around the world. If you are planning to study engineering in the US, don't stop at looking at rankings. Take a few extra minutes to check whether your intended engineering major is ABET accredited. It could have a real impact on your future career. We've also prepared a detailed guide explaining ABET accreditation and how to check engineering programs. Comment ABET below, and we'll send it to you. Thank you to our subscribers. Please remember to leave a like. It really helps the channel grow. Until next time, bye for now.